Hello kids and welcome in this new video where we are going to discuss about plants and it is the third part of our video. In the first two parts we have seen about different types of plants and different parts of a plant. So in this video we are going to see about food items obtained from plants. So how plants provide us food. Plants give us many things. We get fruits, we get vegetables, grains, cereals, pulses, wood, medicine, spices, sugar, oil, tea, coffee, and so many things from different parts of the plant. Thus, plants are very important to us. So, let us discuss some of the items obtained by plants in detail. So, are you ready for this? Let's go. Let's see first about the fruits. Yes, the colorful fruits you can see in this picture. There are variety of fruits I have shown you over here. Fruits are rich in nutrients. That means they are very important in our diet. They protect us from falling sick as they provide us different kind of nutrients, vitamins and minerals as well. So, the next is about vegetables. Yes, here you can see different type of vegetables in this picture. Vegetables are a big part of our staple food, that is our main food. We eat different parts of plants like roots, stem, leaf, flowers, fruits as vegetables. So, next is about the cereals. We get cereals from the plants. We also call them as grains. Cereals are the grains that can be eaten only after cooking. Only after cooking. So, for example, rice, wheat, maize, barley, jawar. They are some of the examples of grains or we can say the cereals. We make chapati from the flour of wheat, maize and gram. So roti we can make from rice. So here we can see a picture of different type of cereals or we can say the grain seeds, rice, maize, yes, corn is also there, wheat is also there. So now moving next towards about pulses. We get pulses from plants. Pulses are the seeds that can be eaten. We have to soak them in water and then we have to cook them and we can eat them as vegetable. So the beans, kidney beans, grams, peas and urad are some of the examples of pulses. Here you can see in this picture moong. Yes, beans are there, chana is there, tuar is there, urad is also there. So rajma is there. Different varieties of pulses we can see in this picture. Now the next is about nuts or which we also called as dry fruits. Yes, we also eat seeds of some plants like almonds, cashew nuts, etc. They are dry fruits with a hard shell. We remove the shells and eat the seeds. These dry fruits are commonly called as nuts. So here we have a variety of nuts. Yes, we can see. Yes, almonds are there, peanuts are also there, and yes, walnuts. So many of our choices. Next about our spices. Yes. So here we can see different type of spices over here. The seeds of some plants like jeera, dhania, pepper or methi are called as spices. They add flavor to our food, so they bring taste in our food. Here also you can see a variety of we can say spices. Yes, we can see chilies, green chilies, red chilies, we can see ginger, we can say fenugreeks are there, and definitely many more like cloves, pepper as well. Next one is about oil giving plants. Some plants provide us with oil or oil seeds. The seeds of some plants are used for making oil. For example, castor, sunflower, mustard, coconut, almond, etc. Oil is used for many purposes like cooking, that is a main one, and oiling the hair, etc. So many uses are there. Yes, here we can say some of the oil producing plants with their seeds. Yes, almond is there, custard is there, then coconut is there, groundnuts are also there. So, next thing we are getting from the plants is coffee, tea, and sugar. Yes, coffee is made from the seeds of coffee plants. We are calling as coffee beans as well. Tea is made from the leaves. Coffee is made from seeds. Tea is made from leaves of a tea plant. We also get sugar from the plants. Yes, sugar is made from sugar cane. Yes, it's from the sugar cane plant. Yes, here coffee plant, the beans are or the seeds are there. Tea plant, the dry leaves are there, and the sugar cane, we are getting the sugar cubes. Yes. So coffee, tea, and sugar we also get from plants. Now let's see some medicinal plants which gives us or which provides us with medicine. Yes. We also get medicines from plants. Some medicinal plants are like neem, aloe vera, turmeric, garlic, tulsi, brahmi, and many more are there. So here we can see the aloe vera, tulsi, the mint, coriander, basil leaves are there, fenugreek, fennel, ginger, rosemary, and turmeric. All these are included as medicinal plants. Yes. So, other than this, we are getting many more things from the plants. So, let's see which are the other things which are obtained from plants. Yes, the first, from the cotton plant, we are getting the cotton fiber. We are getting the cotton clothes. Cotton for making cotton clothes comes from the cotton plant. First, it is converted in terms of fiber, then it is converted in thread, and from the threads, we are getting the cotton clothes. The eraser tires comes from the rubber plant. Yes. So, from the rubber plant, yes, from its stem, we are getting eraser and tires. We are getting rubber actually to make these things. We also get wood from the trees. Wood is used to make houses, furnitures, papers, etc. So here we can say some different uses of wood. Yes, we are getting furniture items. We are getting it as a fuel to burn. Can make musical instrument. We can make toys. We can make houses even. So different uses of wood which we are getting from plants. Flowers are used for worshipping, for decoration, and for making perfumes. Yes. So here we can see a beautiful Ganesh idol which is decorated by using the flowers. And definitely we can get perfumes. Yes, good fragrance with the perfumes we are getting from flowers. Next is jute plant. Jute used for making ropes and bags also comes from the plants. Yes. So here we can see a variety of ropes. The thickness is different. Can get beautiful colorful bags with different designs from the jute plant. Again, we can get soaps, shampoos, paints, perfumes are obtained from different plants. Yes. So we can say oil we are getting soaps, we are getting shampoos, and many more things. Yes, plants give out oxygen gas into the air while preparing their food in the process of photosynthesis. As you are familiar with that. All living things breathe in this gas and it is as it is present in the air. So, the oxygen gas which is present in the air, all living things are using it for breathing. This gas is necessary for all living things to stay alive. Plants keep the air clean and fresh. They breathe in carbon dioxide and they breathe out or they release out oxygen gas in the air. So in this way, yes, we can say yes, with the help of the process photosynthesis in this picture, oxygen is given out in the air while carbon dioxide is taken in by the plants. So in this way also, plants are very helpful for us to keep the air fresh and healthy. So it's a time to take a quick revision with some questions. So here we go. Which of the following is obtained from a plant? And options are yes, cotton shirt, bats, yes, ropes are there, and all of these. Yes, cotton shirt we can get from the cotton fiber, which is coming from the cotton plant. The bats, or the we can say the cricket bats, which are made up of wood. The rope, which is made up of jute. So all are coming from the plant. So I have chosen option number D. All of these coming from plants. Next, walnut and almonds are dash. They are medicinal plants. Are they dry fruits? Are they pulses? None of these. So definitely walnut and almonds are the nuts which we are calling as dry fruit. So I choose option number B. Next, fill in the blanks. Number 1. Coffee is made from the seeds of coffee plants. SEEDS, seeds of coffee plants. Oil is used for many purposes like first when yes, cooking purpose. Yes, that is the main cooking. Yes, and otherwise what we can say? Yes, to put in hair or to massage in our hair or hair. Yes, for our hair. Okay. Next one. Maize and wheat are the examples of grains. Or what word we can use? Cereals. 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 Okay. So either you can write grains or cereal. Okay. Next is state whether the following statements are true or false. Here we go. The first one, pepper and cumin are spices obtained from plants. Yes, it is true. Arrow true. Okay. Next, pulses are the seeds that can be eaten directly. No, we have to cook them. So it is a false statement. Yes. Next. Yes. So here we come towards the end of this topic. So keep practicing and keep watching our videos. Bye bye.